Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, it's exciting. It's exciting. I'm gonna be showing you my Robin Hood account where my doggy coin is like growing significantly, even though I'm a little bit mad because I sold my coin too early and then I had to get back in when it was 1 cent. I had it when it was like 0.04 and 0.03, and I sold it when it went to 0.08, which I should not have done that because I knew that it was gonna grow. Also, I had Ethereum when it was 1,500. I sold that one too. Now it's at 3,000. I had Bitcoin when it was at 46,000. I sold that one and now it's at like almost 60,000. But let's get into this thing. So let's see how my doggy coin is going. So you can see I gain like so much money, like almost $200 just today. And it's 5 o'clock in the morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning. So these are the stocks that I have. Yeah, my Nokia, I've been riding with Nokia since day one. I bought it when it was like $4.14. I had it, I had it $4.14. I had it at $6 also, and I reduced I bought more stocks so my price could drop. Yeah, and you see now I'm making some money, some moolah. Yeah. Okay, so let's get to my favorite, my doggy coin. So you can see right here the doggy coin, the Doge coin, it's 0.48. Yes, and I bought it at 0.1. This was my last time buying it. Yeah, so I gained 500 and something dollars. I put only $200 in it, so you can see that my total return is $511. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys where I bought it. um when I bought it the first time, it was at 0.04. What a significant jump, because like I bought at 0.04 and I sold everything that I had and I went back and buy it at zero point 0.1. So you can see right here I sold it again at 0.03. um I bought it at 0.03, then I buy it again at 0.03, then I sold it at 0.05, then I bought again at 0.04, and then I sold at 0.05. But this time I'm gonna leave it because I know it's gonna get bigger. Wow, hold on. Is this going to go to 50 cents? No, let's see if this is going to go to 50 cents. I want to catch this on recording. I want to capture this on recording to see if it's going to go to 50 cents. Do you guys believe that it's going to go to 50 cents? I want to see this. My heart just jumped just now because I thought that it was going to go to 50 cents. Let's see. Come on. me see if it went to 50 cent earlier. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, I guess it's not gonna go to the 50 cents, so I could just show you guys my other stocks that I like. I like this one. It's called Zynga. So but it's not doing that good, but I think it will be going up soon. I took out most of my money out of this stock because I liked it, but right now it's like iffy to me. But these are my favorite stock. This one, the Tilray. I love Tilray. I think I'm gonna buy some more. I have $135 in that one. Then I have this one. I love this one, but it's not doing so good. It it keep dropping. Like you can see, like let me see, 1 month ago it was $16. It went all the way up. Let me see. It went all the way up. It was like 30 something dollars in March. In March it was like very high. Yeah, but it keeps dropping. I don't know the reason, but I think it will go back up. And then my next favorite stock is this stock. So nobody thought that this stock was going to do any good. I didn't put a lot of money in it. I only put like, I don't know, I think I put like $10. I think $10 in it or something like that, $15. But yeah, I put like $18 in it. So yeah, but you see that stock is doing good because I gained $11. So that's really good. And then this one, the Castor Maritime, I like it, but it's going downhill. I have 105 shares of it. It's okay. It's some penny stocks, but I think it will increase in the future. And then my favorite of them all, my Nokia stock. So the Nokia stock, um I have almost $500 in it. And you can see my return for today is $14, but my total return is $70 on Nokia. And then in the daytime, you my Nokia stock, it goes up to like 100 and something dollars sometime. But yeah, and then these are my other favorites. Um, yeah, but I don't really have much on Robinhood, like in cryptos. I have my cryptos in Weeble. But yeah, but so everything is doing good right here on my Bitcoin. You see, I purchased it when it was, yeah, 46,000. No, now it's 56,000. This one I'm mad because I sell it when it's I could have got more money. And then this one I had this one, the Ethereum Classic. I had a lot of this one. I got it when it was $9 and I actually sold it. But yeah, you see, and I it's like a 505%. So I only had $1. So imagine if I had left all my money in the thing and just let it stay. Maybe I would have maybe like $500 or something. Okay, guys. So I guess that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Maybe I'll take you guys over to my Weeble. And I'll also leave a link so you guys can also join the Robinhood if you want to make quick money. I know that the cryptos are going to be you know, going to be going up a lot. But I'm not a financial advisor, so don't say I tell you to buy anything that I didn't tell you to buy. You buy at your own risk. Okay, guys, so thank you guys for watching. Bye.